In the same 3.3 exercise, third problem, if A complement is equal to 3, 4, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 0, 1 and B is equal to minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, then verify that. Here also we have two sub-question. First one, A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Second sub-question, A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. In the given question, one matrix they mention in terms of A transpose, but second transpose they mention second matrices they mention only in terms of B matrices. A complement A transpose is equal to, this is your given matrix, and second one B, this is only B matrix. Here we need to find place. First, A plus B whole transpose. If you are finding A plus B whole transpose means we have only B matrix, but we don't have the value of A matrix. In the given question they mention only A transpose, but we need only A matrices. First find A matrices. How to find A matrices means, already we know one property, that is A transpose of all transpose can be written as A. Here use this property. We have A transpose, that is A transpose. Take again one more transpose. A transpose of all transpose is equal to, here change rows into columns of A transpose, that is rows into columns, rows into columns, rows into columns. Here A transpose of A transpose we are getting A only. So wise A is equal to, this is your A matrix. Like that we need to find A value. In the given question they mention A transpose. We need to find here A matrices. So wise here take A transpose of transpose. Now we are getting like this. This is your A matrix. Now we have A matrix and B matrix. Here we need to find A plus B whole transpose. So wise find A plus B. A matrix plus B matrix, add these two elements. You are getting like this. This is your A plus B. Then but we need A plus B of whole complement, whole transpose. So wise change rows into columns, rows into column. This is your A plus B of whole complement, whole transpose. Call this is equation 1. Next, here A transpose plus B transpose. This is your A transpose plus B transpose. Add these two elements. You are getting like this. 2, 5, 1, 4, 1, 5. That is 3 plus minus 1, 2, 4 plus 1, 5, minus 1 plus 2, 1, 2 plus 2, 4, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 3, 4. This is your equation 2. See here, from equation 1 and equation 2, all the corresponding elements are equal. 2, 5, 2, 5, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. So why is equation 1 and 2 represented by, from 1 and 2, A plus B of whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. This is your first sub-question. In the same way, second sub-question, here also you can find second sub-question. That is, your second sub-question is A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Here first find A minus B, then take transpose of that matrix, then take A transpose minus B transpose. Here also we need to get A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. You can find second question. Take this one as homework. Next, fourth problem. Fourth problem, if A transpose is equal to minus 2, 3, 1, 2 and B matrix is equal to minus 1, 0, 1, 2, find A plus 2B whole transpose. Here, see carefully, we need to find here A plus, see here A plus 2B whole complement we need to find here. So guys, take here solution part. First we need to find A plus 2B. Then take transpose of that matrix. First find, in a given question they mention A transpose. Already you people are knowing that if they are given A transpose, how to find A value. That is, take again transpose of this matrix, that is A transpose. Take one more transpose, A transpose cancel, we are getting only A only. That is, A transpose of transpose can be written as changing rows into columns, rows into columns. So wise, A transpose of transpose can be written as A value. A matrix is equal to minus 2, 1, 3, 2. Next find A plus 2B. This is your A matrix plus 2 into, write B matrix. This is your B matrix, write as it is. Next step, write this matrix as it is plus multiply 2 as this B matrix, that is 2 into minus 1, 2, 0, 2 into 1, 2, 2 2 is 4. That is, this is your A matrix plus multiplication of next B matrix. This is equal to, here sum of two matrices, here symbol is plus, so wise add these two matrices. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, 1 plus 0, 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 2 plus 4, 6. This is your A plus 2B. This is your A plus 2B matrix. Then take transpose of this one. A plus 2B, this one. Take A plus 2B transpose means change here in this matrix rows into column. Minus 1, minus 4, 1, minus 4, 1, 5, 6. Take transpose of this matrix, we will get A plus 2B whole transpose. This is the value of A plus 2B whole transpose. In the same way, next problem, fifth problem, for the matrices A and B, verify that AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Second property of transpose, that is transpose of a matrices. Here also we have two sub questions. I will be solve one question. You can take homework as second sub question. This is your first sub question. This is your A matrix. This is your B matrix. Second sub question. This is your A matrix. This is your B matrix. I will solve first one. Here we need to find AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Here first AB, then take whole transpose. This is your AB. Take product of AB. This is your A matrix. This is your B matrix. Then find product of these two. That is 1 into minus 1, minus 1, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 1, 1. Minus 4 into minus 1, plus 4. Minus 4 into 2, minus 8. Minus 4 into 1, minus 4. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. This is your AB, product of AB. This is your product of AB. But we need AB whole transpose. AB whole transpose. That means here this is your AB. Change rows into columns. Rows into columns, rows into columns, rows into column. This is your AB whole transpose. Call this is equation 1. Next here, next find A complement A transpose and B transpose. This is your A matrices. In A matrices, change rows into column. Rows into column, rows into column, rows into column. This is your A transpose. Here B, change row into column. This is your B complement. Then take RHS. This is your RHS. B transpose into A transpose is equal to, this is your B transpose, this is your A transpose. B transpose into A transpose. Find here product of these two matrices, that is minus 1 into 1, minus 1, minus 1 into minus 4, plus 4, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, like that. Take product of these two matrices. You are getting like this. This is your equation 2. Then see here all the elements of equation 1 and equation 2. All the elements of equation 1 and equation 2 is equal. That is AB whole complement or AB whole transpose must be equal to B transpose into A transpose. That is LHS is equal to RHS. This is your Fifth question. This is in that fifth question. This is your first sub question. In the same way, you can take second one as homework. Next, sixth question. If A matrix is equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, then verify that A transpose into A is equal to, we need to show here identity matrix. In that second sub question, here matrix A is equal to sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha. Then here also we need to verify that A transpose into A is equal to, we need to here also prove that identity matrix. Here take first one, solution of first one. Here solution of first one, consider LHS. LHS is A transpose into A. This is your A matrices. Here how to convert A transpose means change rows into columns. That is cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Rows into columns. This is your A transpose. Then A matrix write as it is. Now this is product of these two matrices. Product of these two matrices means take here first row first column, first row second column, second row first column, second row second column. This is product of these two matrices. Again we are getting cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Value is 1. Cos alpha into sin alpha minus cos alpha into sin alpha cancel. You are getting 0. Here again sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha cancel 0. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. Already we pupils are knowing that 1 0 0 1. This is your 2 cross 2 identity matrix. That is I. This is your RHS. Therefore A transpose A is equal to I. We need to verify this one. We are getting is equal to identity matrix. In the same way, second sub question, here this is your matrix A. Here also we need to verify that A transpose of A is equal to I. You can take this one as homework. Take transpose of this one, then multiply those two, A transpose and A. Again here also we are getting identity element. Identity matrices. Take that one as homework.